Dave.
I'm Rhonda.
And this is
Going Somewhere Together.
Heads Carolina, tails California, somewhere greener.
Hey guys, well, living out on the road is not always fun and exciting. There's always the downside. When things don't go right, or you got to fix things, or you're just in a predicament, you need to figure your way out. Anyway, I have one of those, and I thought I would share it with you. We are going to kind of go off-grid for a bit at a campsite where we won't have water and electricity, so we'll be totally self-contained. However, about a couple months ago, when I was running the generator, it started flooding out and dying. And I kept thinking, well, we get somewhere where we spend some time, maybe I can get it fixed. Well, things always don't always work out the way you think. But anyway, check this out, what I had to do to my generator to get it running. But I was successful. Okay, that's under here. There she is, our Onan Marquee Gold 7000. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. Okay, well, I know it's been flooding because gas will just start running out of this. It'll start up for a second, it'll die, and then gas just be running all over. So I know it's probably the needle and seat. Yeah, figure out how to pop these. Oh yeah, there we go. So let me take this apart and we'll see what we got. Okay, looks like we're gonna have to take these couple of bolts off here. We got a couple of nuts up here on the carburetor, so that looks like there's through bolts going through the carburetor, and that will probably take this thing off. Okay. The air box off, and now I got to take off this linkage over here, and I think we'll have it off. Working on the carburetor to our generator. Keeps flooding. I've called everywhere, nobody has parts, and they say that you don't rebuild these, you just replace them. I don't know if you can see it, but as I shake that, can you see the float is full of gas? See it? So I'm going to try to figure a MacGyver on this one and drain it, try to reseal it and put it back on, because I have no choice right now. Alright, I have a lot of tools to work with, but I'm going to take this, it won't even focus on it, this strand of wire right here, and I'm going to take this soldering gun, I'm going to wrap it around that tip, and hopefully it'll get the wire hot enough I can poke a little hole in it to drain it. Okay, so I'm going to try to put some solder on that so that the heat will transfer into the wire. We'll see. It was successful, but it's such a tiny hole, I know you can't see it. But it's just enough for the gas to kind of ooze out. But I got to come up with a way of actually making it empty. So what I've come up with now is my little Ryobi tire inflator. And I got this little thing on the end that I'm going to stick in there, and then I'm just going to like slightly pressurize it, flip it upside down, let the gas squirt out, do it again a couple times, and then I'm going to try to reseal the hole, but I don't know where the gas is getting in. But before I put the hole in, I shook it around and there was no gas leaking out, so it must be a very, very small cracks or something in there. But anyway, we'll see if it works. Okay, so I went ahead and used some super glue into the hole that I poked to drain it, and I went along that little edge that I saw where it was kind of leaking once I pressurized it. So I did locate the original leak. So hopefully this will work for a while. In case you were wondering if super glue is resistant to gasoline and oil and so forth, well, it is. So just FYI. Okay, we got everything back together, and it's time to try it out and see if it works. Here we go. Okay, guys. Well, that's it, guys. Now you know that life out on the road is not always the best, but there's always workarounds. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. Well, I guess that's it, guys. It's up and running, and we're ready to go a little bit off grid, and I'll let you know how long it lasts. Anyway, I got my order in. We'll see you guys in the next one, and remember to like, share, and subscribe.